Hi there, students. I just had a question from Po Chi Wei to say, what is the meaning of the word excruciate? Well, as a verb, excruciate is much rarer, and I think we're much more likely to see excruciating and excruciatingly. If we say something is excruciatingly painful, then it's extremely painful. So something that is excruciating is extremely intense. It's intensely painful. Could be either for the mind or for the body. When he broke his leg, he was in excruciating pain. Yeah, it was an excruciatingly painful experience. The situation was terribly embarrassing. It was absolutely excruciating. It was agonizing. Yeah, it was very painful. It was very embarrassing. So to excruciate on its own means to inflict severe pain on somebody, to torture, or to make somebody very distressed mentally. But as a verb, it's not something that is very commonly used. But excruciating, the situation was excruciating, very definitely. Yeah? If something is extremely boring or extremely embarrassing, yeah, I had to sit there waiting for the plane that had been delayed by 12 hours. It was excruciating. Yeah, it was incredibly boring. So I think we also use this word excruciating to mean intense or extreme. Yeah, he does things with excruciating exactness. Yeah, he's so exact that, well, it's extreme. Yeah, it might even seem painful to watch him doing it. Okay, so excruciating, intense, intensely painful. Okay, so excruciating mental anguish. Yeah, this is an excruciating dilemma, and I just don't know what to do. It's intensely painful. Yeah, so mainly we're using excruciating to say something is extremely painful, either physically or emotionally. Yeah, it was an excruciating experience, a very severe and unpleasant experience. Um, okay, so excruciatingly, very painful, very unpleasant. It was an excruciating experience. There was a very long silence that continued, and eventually it became excruciating. Yeah, this was excruciatingly embarrassing. Yeah. Yeah, so the joke was funny at first, but he went on and on with it to the point that it became excruciating. Yeah, unbearable. Yeah. You can also use excruciating to mean very bad. So the meal that they gave us was excruciating. Yeah, it was excruciatingly bad. It was extremely bad. An excruciatingly bad joke. Oh, yeah? Okay, so this excruciatingly, it's something that's causing pain, extreme, intense pain. But you can also use it just to mean intense or extreme. So excruciating attention to detail, excruciating exactness. So it's intense, but so intense that almost to the point of pain. Yeah. The performance by the actors was excruciating. It was painful to watch. Something is excruciatingly embarrassing. Okay, you almost feel pain watching it. So let's see, formality, excruciating. 5 in formality. Use this absolutely anywhere. The verb to excruciate, I think I would probably give a 7.5 or an 8 in formality. We don't normally use it. And then as to origin, it comes from Latin, excruciat, meaning tormented, from ex crucis, crucified. So it's crucifying on the cross, which I imagine is a very painful experience. So I hope you haven't ended up excruciatingly bored after this video. Anyway, if you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Excruciating, excruciatingly.